All right, let's jump right into it. We're doing a deep dive into the definitive blueprint for the final chapter of Stranger Things 5.
A true cultural landmark, really.
Absolutely. We're going to extract the absolute essentials for you, the release schedule, the core plot evolutions, and what we know about the new cast.
Exactly. This is, what, 9 years of storytelling all coming to a head?
9 years, and we're distilling how Netflix is orchestrating this epic conclusion.
Right. We're talking the strategic holiday rollout, the state of Hawkins as a war zone, and why the whole emotional center has snapped back to Will Byers.
So first, the release. Instead of a straight binge drop, they're framing Season 5 as a 3-part global event.
It's the biggest rollout the show has ever seen. It all symbolically kicked off on Stranger Things Day, which was November 6th, 2025.
Okay, so what are the actual drop dates for us to watch?
So Volume 1, that's 4 episodes, lands on November 26th.
Just in time for the holidays to start.
Precisely. Then Volume 2, with 3 episodes, is a Christmas Day release, December 25th.
Wow, dropping it right on Christmas. That's a bold move.
A very big one. And then the finale, just one single epic episode, lands on New Year's Eve.
That is highly strategic, isn't it? It's not just about engagement.
No, it's about capitalizing on the highest streaming period of the year. They avoid binge fatigue, but turn the finale into a massive, collective global experience.
And that massive rollout perfectly prepares us for the scale of the plot itself. Hawkins, I mean, the secret is out.
Oh, it's more than out. The town is actively merging with the Upside Down.
So what does that actually look like on screen?
We're talking ash falling, plants dying. The town is a full-blown battlefield where the truth is finally undeniable to the whole world.
And at the center of that battlefield is the villain, Vecna.
He survived. And here's the interesting part. He's not just recuperating. Sources confirm he is, quote, evolving his final form.
Evolving. So he's not just healing, he's upgrading.
He's upgrading to unleash the full cosmic terror of the Mind Flayer. This is him at his absolute most dangerous.
Which means 11 has to meet that threat. She has to level up too.
She has to. And her powers are entering new levels. Her psychic link to Vecna is strengthening. And crucially, she can access the mindscape without that same physical strain.
But for all that action, the emotional core is really snapping back to the beginning, isn't it? Back to Will Byers.
Completely. The creators stated that Season 5 returns to the exact focus of Season 1. His connection is the key.
Because he's the only one who can still, hear Vecna?
He is confirmed to be the only one who still hears him. And what's fascinating here is the narrative significance of that.
Yeah, how so?
It forces him to confront all that past trauma that started the entire saga. It completes his emotional arc and provides a perfect narrative bookend to the series.
Okay, before we wrap the war, we have to talk about the firepower joining the cast.
Linda Hamilton.
The Terminator legend, yeah, she's officially on board.
Her role is still undisclosed, but she is expected to be a major player in those high-stakes final 2 volumes.
So theories are circulating she'll be, a government operative?
Either a high-level operative or maybe a soldier leading the final fight. She brings this immense dramatic gravitas to what is confirmed to be a true cinematic war.
And the creators have hinted that, not everyone will make it, so we're expecting sacrifices.
Major sacrifices. But even so, the universe itself is continuing, regardless of who survives. They have confirmed animated spin-offs, new stories.
So what does this all mean for you, the viewer? This final season is being treated as the ultimate cinematic action and the ultimate emotional closure Netflix has ever delivered.
Which raises an important question for you to mull over. We know there's a confirmed prequel that will explore the origin of the Upside Down.
Right.
So, what if understanding that exact origin is the key piece of information that Will Byers holds? What if that's what links the very beginning of the story directly to its explosive New Year's Eve end?